guys, it's Ajia. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So as you can see by the title, we're going to be trying the unrecognizable makeup trend kind of that's going around on TikTok. By the way, let's cross our fingers and hope that TikTok doesn't get removed, because I literally love TikTok so much. But anyways, we're going to be trying the unrecognizable makeup look. I don't really know what this makeup look like consists of. I think it's just like trying to look as unrecognizable as possible, but like with still kind of like looking like yourself. Like, I'm not gonna do crazy makeup because I feel like that's not really the point of it. I feel like the point of it is to like kind of change some of your features with makeup. I don't know. Listen guys, we're just gonna try to do this trend and I'll just be doing it with you guys and we'll see what we come up with. So if you guys want to see me do the unrecognizable makeup trend, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows off camera. I tried to make them like a little bit thinner, but I have pretty thick eyebrows right now, so I just made them as thin as possible with like concealer and all that stuff. So now we're just gonna prime my eyes with the Rimmel London Multitasker concealer. We're just gonna blend that out with this Glam Light sponge. First, I'm just going to take the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to take Yacht It on this big Juvia's Place brush, and I'm just going to start by like kind of blending that out, but putting it all over my eye. I'm going to take it and I'm going to blend it out on the outer corner of my eye. And also blend it into like my nose. I'm gonna take the BH Cosmetics tapered blending brush, and I'm gonna take Kafuru, and I'm just gonna put that on the outer corner of my eye and blend it halfway into the crease. I'm gonna take Walzana, which is like a dark shade, and put that on my outer corner as well and halfway into the crease. We're going to take the Saharian palette by Juvia's Place, and we're going to take Chad, which is like a black shade, and we're going to take that on an M441 brush again and just put that on the outer corner. Now I'm going to take Zaz from that palette, which is like an off-white shade, and I'm just going to put that on my lid and blend it out into the outer part. I feel like it's also like a really like cat smoky eye for the unrecognizable makeup look, so that's why I'm making it like super smoky and super like blended out and like catty. So now I'm gonna do a wing liner. I've been doing so many wing liners recently that's so like different for me because I literally never do wing liner, I feel like. Okay, so I just did my other eye off camera. I just sharpened it up a little bit with some concealer, so it really gives that like cat eye effect, and I really like that. So now we're just gonna move on to foundation. So I'm gonna prime with the Milani Prime Shield Face Primer. Okay, and now for foundation, I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation in the shade Warm Beige. Now for concealer, I'm going to take the I Heart Revolution Heartbreakers concealer. Now I'm just going to blend out everywhere except under my eyes. I'm going to let that sit for a little bit. Now for cream bronzing, I'm just going to take this ABH Stick Foundation in the shade Espresso. And out under my eye. I'm gonna set my under eyes with the Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder. You're looking a little pale, so let's bronze with some Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Powder Foundation in the shade Java. Okay. And now for under my eyes, I'm gonna take small flat brush and I'm gonna take the Saharan palette and I'm gonna take Chad and I'm gonna like very tightly put this under my eye. Perfect. Okay. So now I'm gonna go off camera and put on a lash. I think I'm gonna do a big lash because I feel like that really goes with the look. I feel like a lot of people do like a natural lash, but I feel like that doesn't really make sense. We'll see how I'm feeling, what kind of lash I want to do. And then I think I'm just gonna do like a nude lip, maybe overline my lips a little bit more just to give that like unrecognizable illusion type thing. So let me just go off camera, put on a lash, and I'll be back with you guys in a second. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This is the finished unrecognizable makeup look. I mean, obviously I still look like myself because I didn't change. Like, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I don't understand this trend. I just wanted to participate because I feel like it's trendy right now and I feel like it's something that I would like to do, but I don't really get it. But this is the finished look. I like it a lot. I think it's really cute. I feel really vampy. If you guys don't know what lip gloss I'm using the Juvia's Place Nubian Earth lip gloss in the shade Nubian Nude, which I love it. So yeah, this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It will also be in the description box down below for your convenience. If you're watching this and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I would love to have you here. I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers by April or by the end of the year. Either way, I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers, so I would love for you to join the family. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Do I look unrecognizable? Bye.